children he wrote when he was on his trip.
Anong sabi niya, Mama?
He said he found a very talented mat weaver in Lopez Tayabas.
Mat Weaver?
Yes, he ordered a sleeping mat for each member of the family.
Talaga? With our names?
Yes, every mat has a name woven into it. Wow, that's amazing! I want bright colors.
I hope mine was big.
He said the mats are very beautiful.
When will Papa come home?
Tomorrow, Papa will ride the Bicol Express.
Banig! Banig! Banig kayo dyan!
Kuya, pabili po ng 7 banig.
Sir, sigurado po kayo? Each mat have different designs.
Yes, each one should have the name of a family member.
That will take time.
It's alright. My children will love them.
Then I will weave them carefully.
Sir, bili kayo peanuts.
No, thank you.
When will arrive in a few minutes.
Oh, thank you.
Giliw kung pahintulutan mo ako,
Girlfriend, I miss you.
sana sa'yo ang puso ko.
Welcome home, Jaime!
Nagpunta ka sa province. Kumain ka, Papa?
Las chicos and so was the man and we
Wow! Papa, are those the mats?
Yes. But first let's eat the dinner.
Ang mas lang ba?
Papa, can you see them now? Papa, you're home na pala. Sorry, Mama, we're late because we class.
Alright. Which one is yours, Mimia?
Wow, thank you, Jaime. It's beautiful.
The rest of the match will be given to you later.
Thank you, Papa!
Jaime, there are still mats left.
Yes, they are.
But Papa, everybody already has one.
These mats are for the others. And this is dynamical.
Papa, there's different pathways.
Yes. Do you think I could forget them? They were part of this family. We must always remember them. Even if they are gone, they'll always be in our hearts.
Yes, they will be always part of our family. Papa,